Wakaalo whatu mako.
Nice.
The black belts.
Got the Red Bull sponsor.
Wakaalo whatu mako. Welcome back. Kua i whale whawhausino ki tau se tuke ua. So peeps, I'm here at the gym, gonna train shoulders today. It's been a while since I've been at the gym. Yeah, thought I'd do a gym vid. Changing up my diet. Decided I'm gonna bulk up this winter. It's April now, but just want to put on a bit of extra muscle weight. So what I'm planning to do is work on my diet, because usually what I do in the past when I say I'm bulking, I'll usually just eat whatever I can, put on a lot of weight, and then regret it because a lot of it's just fat because it's not calculated. So what I'm going to do now is do a meal plan and probably eat between 2,500 to 3,500 calories. Yeah, because you're meant to just adjust your calories by 500 surplus, you know, so it's smart. Instead of just putting on a lot of weight, putting on muscle weight. So yeah, I'll probably do that for 4 weeks and just re-look at it, focusing on the proteins and the carbs. So yeah, hopefully maybe by the end of August I'll have a look at myself again. I think I'll weigh maybe 84 now, maybe 84, 85, so I'll try and go back up to 90. I will see, as long as it's muscle mass gain, not fat. So I'm meant to be going to get a scan to check my body composition, how much is muscle, how much is fat, so that I can track it properly. So yeah, just want to be a bit more serious, take it a bit more serious, not just muck around, because I've been coming to the gym a lot. I still come to the gym, but diet wise not so good, and cardio wise not so good. But, yeah, enough talk. Ua tala noa, whanau ki tau se whawhausino. Yeah, I better get back into it. Less talk and more action. Okay, to while vea. Whakaalo whatu mako. My mate just gave me a energy drink. My mate Gary, my one YouTube bro, it's on YouTube. My mate Gary just gave a energy drink and I can't stop training now. Bro.
I hope you go for another 4 hours or something.
Bro, 3 hours training.
Yeah, hard, go for it.
Got any words of inspiration for my followers, bro?
Probably just keep it up and keep on working hard. That's just mainly consistency.
Yeah.
Discipline. You just have to do hard work. It takes time, but I have to do it. Yeah. But yeah, my man is working so hard, coming every day after work. Let me know your channel, bro.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
That.
Yeah. I haven't put training stuff on for a while, but I just thought I'd better put some more training stuff on. And I was just saying, bro, the energy drink that Gary gave me, bro.
I could give him one drink and he's like can't stop training. Probably gonna go for another 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah. And then tomorrow you're like, nah. That's too much.
Yeah. Thanks, Gary, man. I'll leave it to your workout, bro. Shit, man. Yep. So that's my man, Gary. He sold me some protein powder. Training hard. Maybe I stopped taking pre-workout because messed up with my sleep, and if you stop taking it, you lose a lot of energy. But I haven't had energy drink for maybe a couple of years now, and I must say the training is a lot different. Mood's different, and you just feel better when you train, so we'll see how long this lasts, because when you start taking pre-workout or energy drinks, you build up a tolerance, so you have to like take more and more and more. So yeah, but for now, shoulder workout's going good. Okay, I better finish out my workout. I'll see you then. O si te whawhausino tau leke. Just finished shoulders, so time to do some cardio. Got to do the cardio, because cardio is important, just so you can last longer while you train. Also good for the heart. But yeah, my cardio, I do boxing, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a stair climber. Hang on. There's a stair climber right there, and I do that. So I either do one or the other, but because I've taken some energy drink, I think I'm gonna do both. Yeah, I hope you're feeling motivated. Best time to train for summer is winter, so we're just heading into autumn. So yeah, I hope this gets you hyped up. If you are training, just put down your goals, your training goals, your weight if you want to, and how much you want to lose, or what you're doing in your journey. Yeah, tohi ke lalo whikau hao. Okay, better get into it. Oh, hoka te o ki one hoka te o ki one Bucklands Beach ke koukou ke oki ke whiawhia. Man, I just got to the beach. Got to Bucklands Beach. It's just down the road. I'm gonna jump in there because the tide is in. Ei ilo au e kupu for tide is in. But if you know the word for tide is in, tohi ki lalo, write it down in the comment section. If you know it in Niuean, that would be good. But Tongan, Samoan, or any language, French. Man, the water feels very, very good. Man, just here. I'm gonna go jump in. This camera's not it's not GoPro, so I can't take it on with me, but yeah, looking forward, man. I'm happy. I'm gonna go jump in now, put my camera away, then man, the water's nice and cold. A lot of athletes do ice water after training. It's good. They call it hydrotherapy. Apparently it's good for recovery. I don't know the science behind it, but yeah, that's me. All I know is I love jumping in the water. Don't get to do it often, but I'm gonna try and do it more often. I'm still buzzing from the pre-workout energy drink. Crazy, but yeah, all good. Yeah, so I'm in Bucklands Beach. It's nice. Surprised there's not many people. It's school holidays. Yeah, so okay. Tô Filipino. Whew. Osie Coco. Man, if you can time it, work out and then swim, man, highly recommend it. Feels good. Would have stayed longer, but it was getting boring. So I'm gonna go home and figure out what I'm gonna eat, and maybe work on my my meal plan, and then just get the meal plan down before I start eating, so I don't get crazy. But man, that swim, I don't know if you can see the water. Man, nice. No one else swimming, just myself. That's how I like it. Not too many people around. Feel way better here. Okay, pretty good. Whakaalo whatu mākou. Hokateo ki kaina. Hokateo ki kaina ki tunu e kai. Tunu e māmoi. Whiawhia ki kai māmoi, wala moi, that's lamb. Just got home, cooking my lamb, getting my food ready. Man, feeling good. Also got some looks like siko, but it's chili beans from last night. Just trying to keep it healthy. Yeah, man, I'm pumped. So yeah, that's me back home now, doing my meal plan, just trying to get all my meal plan prep done, and doing my TikTok. If you want to learn some newer words, go jump on my TikTok, Newer Bodybuilder. I just post up some phrases, some words, you know, if you want to scrub up on your whole new way you're learning. Yeah, jump on, subscribe to my TikTok. Okay, that's my day. Gym, food, and rest, oki. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped up. Yeah, okay. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hardly do newer bodybuilding videos lately, but this is just to all the newer bodybuilders out there. Yeah, want some gym motivation. Hope this helped you out. And yeah, wish you all the best on your fitness goals. Okay. Mabola, motolokia, to Philadelphia. Whakalo whatu mākou. Guoi Sylvia Park. We came to watch Red, White and Brass Tongan movie. Sweating my brother. We agreed to meet at Hafa Hongfulu Maua. The guy shows up just when the movie's about to start. But he paid for the tickets. Yeah, yeah, looking forward. My other sister Miss said that the movie is awesome. So looking forward to it. Guo, more Christian, more Hector. Man, all aua ki whalewau. Here they come. Yeah, here they come. Yeah. It's the black belts.
Got the Red Bull sponsor. Let's go.
Alright. Just watched the movie. Very good, Tonga. Malie. What do you think of the movie?
That was a pretty good movie. That was pretty, yeah. Oh man, I liked it, eh? I liked it. I thought it was really good. I thought it was really well done. Some really good characters. Plus it's true story. Plus it's PI. All good, man. All good. Yeah. I think other people should watch it too. It would have been cool to like go, like a bit of an outing for the family, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You liked it too, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, that's yeah, I like that too. Might go have a walk around. Not much to eat, eh? Tank or something. Go check out Tank. Do you guys want a tank?
Do they have ticket?
Just in the food court. Alright.
Kalau pelahir tu kalau sila sport ke tapano niwe tamaki, ay siguro may matolo ay ke pagay John ke Hansan I Pemiwa.
Yo ino.
Besi sai nai lo ay ngoi lo.
Whakalo whatu mākou. Osi e whawhau sino, osi e Poleni. O mai motolu ke Hassan, ke Kaya motolu, ke Whiawhia. Whiawhia lahi a Laua. Andy mo Ariana. Tau se e Kifanga. Ke whakaako ke Poleni. Whakaako eh. Mo whawhau niwe.
You got a new name now.
Yeah.
Kane Jones.
Talia motolu ke ore tau pui. Ke ota e tau kai. Okay. To Philadelphia here. Yeah. Hepe talahaku. Koi expert. Whakahaku e talahaku.
Ako hepe.
E talahaku. O hepe e puke haku. Haku. Haku.
Hello. I'm getting a mango shake and I'm getting some dumplings.
Yeah. Explain what you did today. What's that in your hand?
I got some money and I got some more. I got some more money. And I got recorded by saying and I kept.
What did you teach? What 3 words?
I taught them Hamam to Laka. So got 50 bucks. I got more, okay? Okay, this is 20 bucks.
But you don't want to pay for extra for that.
No,
Yun mà làm mai. Cái này mình đi chỉ hát cho nó tương đối tao. Thì cả hai cái cô tin được mà cũng hơi ghê. Cô mà xin giá thì cô mà
Need some soy sauce. Wait, this is a cake of water, soy sauce. My bit. I think I need a different store.
Bakit sa ngalan mamen stay away from that food.
Want another plate?
No. Okay, and I say something else. You don't. I used to say
Puto ol게요. Osi te kaya motoru. Makona lahi.
Hi.
We're off to Sylvia Park to spend some more money.
Put your leg in. Put your leg
Hopefully it's
in.
still
More
open.
money. Burger King.
Monune po.